You are preparing for your exams now. The dates are declared. So this is the 11th hour preparation, you can say, when you watch the videos. Okay. So last time we have seen the basic proportionality theorem. Okay. In which the line is parallel to the third side of a triangle and therefore it divides the other two sides in proportion. Now what is the converse of BPT? If line divides the two sides in proportion, then that line is parallel to the third side of a triangle. So here in the converse of BPT, it is given that AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC and therefore line L is parallel to side BC. Okay, this is called as the converse of BPT. Now this proof is not in your portion, but the sums which are there, they will be, you have to solve those sums. So we will solve sums on BPT as well as converse of BPT. Let us consider a triangle PQR. So N is a point on side PR and M is a point on side PQ of the triangle PQR. Okay. Then PR is given as 20 and NR is given as 8. PQ is given as 25 and PM is given as 15. And you have to show that whether NM is parallel to QR or not. You have to write the reason also. Now let us see how to solve. Now PR is 20. Therefore, and NR is 8. Therefore, we can find out PN. PN is equal to PR minus NR. That is 20 minus 8, which is equal to 12. Therefore, we get the ratio Pn upon Nr as 12 upon 8. We can reduce it as 3 upon 2. Okay. Now, here PQ is equal to 25. Isn't it? And PM is given as 15. Therefore, how to find out QM? QM is equal to PQ minus PM. That is, PQ is 25 and PM is 15. So, 25 minus 15, which is equal to 10. Therefore, the ratio PM upon QM is 15 upon 10. So, if we reduce it, it is equal to 3 upon 2. So, here you can see that the ratio Pn upon Nr is also 3 upon 2 and the ratio Pm upon Qm is also 3 upon 2. And therefore, two ratios are equal and therefore we can say that Nm is parallel to QR. So what is the reason? Yes, here the ratios are equal and we said that that line is parallel to the side of a triangle. That means it is because of converse of BPT, converse of basic proportionality theorem. Understood? Now let us see one more example based on this. Now here it is given that PR is equal to 20, then PQ is equal to 25, PM is equal to 15 and NM is parallel to QR. And you have to find out NR. You have to find out NR. So now what is given? NM is parallel to QR. Therefore, we can apply here basic proportionality theorem. Therefore, we can write Pn upon Nr is equal to Pm upon Qm. Now we don't know Pn, so we assume it as x. Therefore, Nr will be 20 minus x because PR is given as 20. Therefore, and here in PM is 15 and Qm is 10 because PQ is given as 25. Therefore, 25 minus 15 is equal to 10. So, we can write as x upon 20 minus x is equal to 15 upon 10. This 15 upon 10 you can reduce as 3 upon 2. So, it is x upon 20 minus x is equal to 3 upon 2. Now, cross multiply. So, you will get 2x is equal to 60 minus 3x. We can take minus 3x on the left hand side. Therefore, 2x plus 3x is equal to 60. That is 5x is equal to 60. Therefore, x is equal to 60 upon 5, that is equal to 12. So, what is x? X is Pn, correct. Therefore, how you will find out NR? NR will be PR minus Pn. 20 minus 12, which is equal to 8. Therefore, we get the value of NR as 8.